Guys, I'm your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to resize any image. So let's start our video after this short break. Resizing an image is required in many online forms and even in YouTube. So here I have taken two images. First is channel art and the second is channel branding. So the current dimensions of these images are channel art 1260 into 880, channel branding 380 into 126, and the required dimensions of channel art should be 2560 into 1440, and the required size of the channel branding should be 150 into 150. So first we have to open our main browser. So here I am using Google Chrome as my main browser. Then we have to search www.simpleimageresizer.com. Once the website is open, we have to click this select image button. Then we have to select the image. So first I will resize channel art. And now I have selected channelart.jpg. Then we have to click this dimensions button. Then we have to enter width into height. So width should be 2560 and height should be 1440. Then we have to click this resize button. Once it's uploaded, you can see this download button. Click this download button and it will open another tab. And now here you can see your resized image. Then we have to right click, then save image as, then we have to rename it, and then we have to browse our location. So here I have selected desktop. Then we have to click this save button. So now the channel art is downloaded. So let's check the current size of this. So this is the channel art, and here we can see that the dimensions are 2560 into 1440. In the same way, we will resize the channel branding also. So select image again, channel branding, and then select the size 150 into 150. And then we have to again click this resize button, and then it's uploading. Click this download button, right click, save image as, and rename it and select the location. Then we have to click this save button. And now I have downloaded both the files. Let's check the size of this file also. This file is 150 into 150. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.